Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing essentials, a verified Google account and clear niche selection. Sign into Skillshop, enroll in relevant certification paths, ads, analytics, or Google marketing platform. Once done, focus on one monetization route, freelance services, funneling leads to clients, or building a paid course. Make sure to document credentials and set a measurable goal like $500/month. You do this because credibility converts faster. Clients trust certified experts, and certifications unlock platform-specific strategies you can sell or teach. Now you convert certification into income by building tangible offers and proof. Finish exams, then run quick audits or pilot projects. Use real or simulated accounts to generate screenshots and results. Once done, assemble service packages, one-time audit, set up with a fixed price, and monthly retainer for optimization. Make sure to create a simple one-page offer with clear pricing tiers and a contact or booking funnel. You do this because prospects buy demonstrated outcomes and simple choices, reduce friction to hire you. Finish by scaling and securing revenue. Publish short how-to videos and case snippets to attract organic leads, and run low-budget targeted ads to test messaging. Once done, automate client onboarding with templates for proposals, invoices, and deliverables. Make sure to track conversions and cash flow. You should also request testimonials after each win to build trust. If growth stalls, reevaluate niche fit, adjust pricing, or add 2 client testimonials quickly. These small fixes often unlock momentum and make selling far easier.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.